Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to translate conversations in real time during a Microsoft Teams meeting using Microsoft Translator. This feature is great for multilingual meetings, classes, or international teamwork. Now, let's get started. Suppose we are already in a meeting and want to translate everything being discussed. All we need to do is go to the three dots in the upper right corner. Select More Options. Click this, and then go to Language and Speech. Here, we will see different options, like tabs. We can also enable RTT for this meeting. Just turn this on. RTT means real-time text. When we speak, it will translate here. Now, we can choose any language. Simply click the gear button. In the language settings, we can select the language we want for the meeting. For example, if someone prefers Dutch, we select Dutch. If English is needed, we can choose English, Australia, English, Canada, or any other version. Pick the language that fits your preferences. Once finished, just click to confirm. For example, if we select French and then speak, everything will be translated into French automatically. This means that even if we have a French-speaking member, they can understand everything using the translator. This is how we translate in real time using Microsoft Teams and Microsoft Translator. With this feature, we can break language barriers and communicate more easily.